Okay, so I'm in the process of installing these Xenon Depot LED headlights in my 2018 959 Panigale, and I just want to show you guys what I did to install it. So far I only did the right side, but basically I just took this inner cover out. I think it's called like a conveyor or something. And I basically just ran the wires right down the side of it. And I'm going to put the conveyor back on top of that so the wires will run inside of it. It has a little ballast that I put down here that I used this little Velcro stuff to hold it in there so it won't rattle around. And then I just did some zip ties to hold the plug in there. I also loosened up the fairing a little bit just to be able to get in there a little easier. Didn't have to take the whole fairing off. But basically that's the heat sink of the bulb. That's just what keeps it cool. The biggest thing you have to be careful with this is making sure that you can turn the bars without it hitting any of the wiring or the ballast or anything. And as you can see, you know, I made sure that it cleared that pretty well. And then again, once I put this cover back on, it'll be, you know, nice and hidden under here. It should be hidden under there like this side. So let me just show you what it looks like right quick, the comparison. And you can't really see it that good on the iPhone camera. That's why I have my DSLR set up, because I took pictures that I'm gonna post on my Instagram that you guys can see better than my iPhone. But I don't know how good this is gonna come across on here, but you can see it looks a lot better. A lot more whiter. But yeah, that's one side. Then I'll come back when I'm done with the other side. All right, so here's the other side installed and working. You can see I couldn't really put the ballast right here like I did on the other side because the ignition coil is right there in the way. So I pretty much just put the ballast right here with the Velcro tape and ran all the wires right down alongside there. So they'll be hitting under the cover when I'm done. Just like on this side, you can see everything's hidden under the cover. This side's done already. All right. And again, on this side as well, making sure that, see the heat sink there, you gotta bend the fins so they clear the trees. All right, you turn the bars, nothing hits. All right. So that's pretty much it for the install. Now I'm gonna put this cover back on and I'll be done. Okay, so the install is 100% done. You can see all the wires are nice and hidden behind these cowl thingies here. Same thing on that side. And it clears the triple tree, which is the most important thing. All right. So if we turn them on, that's them in all of their glory. It looks so much better. And it matches the LED daytime running lights a lot better than those Phillips bulbs. The Phillips bulbs are a lot easier to install, obviously. It's probably like a 5-minute install compared to this. This took me about 2 hours just because these cowl things here are really hard to get off. So one tip I can give you to get these off easier is to remove these 3 fairing bolts, 1, 2, and this third one, and that'll let the fairing flex a little bit so you can push this cowl forward and slide the clips up, because there's like teeth that go inside the fairing like this. So you gotta slide them out and lift up. And that's how you get those out. So that's what basically took the most time, was getting those out and back in, trying not to break them. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the install. I've been running the Xenon Depot LEDs for, I think since like 2012. I've been running them and never had a problem with them. So I'm gonna keep on buying them. They perform really good. And yeah, man, I think this is a pretty good upgrade for this. So let's turn those on one more time. That looks pretty damn good. All right, so let's take it outside and see what it looks like in the dark. All right, so hopefully you can hear me over the motorcycle, but this is what it looks like outside in the dark. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I plan on making more videos in the future about other stuff that I do, but for now I just wanted to put this up because I didn't see too many people doing this mod. I see everybody doing the Philips super bright white bulbs, and I didn't really want to do that. I wanted to do something different. So went to my guys at Xenon Depot and got this kit, put it in, and it worked out. So let's see if it lasts. Shouldn't have any problems. Never had problems with them before, like I said. So again, hope somebody out there finds this video helpful. If you do, just drop a comment, leave a like, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.